Hi everyone, it's me again, it's Cheryl from Dread Queen, and I just thought I'd do a quick tutorial because I washed my dreads last night. I took all my woolies out and I've only got my dreads in, my real dreads. So what I'm going to do, as I said in my last video, they're in a lot of volume because I've only got like 23 dreads. So what I'm going to do is, just to switch things up a little bit, I'm going to put these 3 double-ended crochet dreads just in the back, bottom 3. I'm going to attach them. I'm going to show you how I do it. So I have rubber bands in like every colour of the rainbow. So you get your double-ended thread and get an elastic band. This is so easy. Basically wrap it around until, so you've got a loop. Pick the thread that you want to put it on. Feed your thread through the loop. Pull it up to the top, to the root, and then pull these so the rubber band moves up and it fixes tight to the thread. That just like adds a flash of colour. I'll do that. I've got this rainbow one here. I really want to make some more. These are so nice. So I've got orange in here as well. I like to colour coordinate. You put your elastic band on. So you've got your loop. Find the thread you want to put it on. Feed your thread through the loop. Pull it up to the root. And then pull the 2 threads on the double-ended, and that's it, it's fixed. Like, this is such an easy way to, like, if you've got real locks, an easy way to like jazz them up if you get bored of them, or just to fill them out a bit if you don't have a lot. Do this last one, and then I'll show you the back, how it looks. I really don't want to go out in that weather, it's blowing a gale out there. Right, so just feed your thread through the loop, pull up to the top. Hey Pip, what do you want? And then that's it, it's fitted. Pip, come here. I'll say hey to everyone. Hello. This is my little baby. I have to go down to make a video. Go on in. Go on. Yes, I'll show you the back. I've got it. See if I can do this. Oh, just gives it that, just that extra bit of colour and a tiny bit more length. Just makes them look a bit longer. Oh my god, I'm making myself up. So yeah, there you go. That's how I fit double-ended synthetic threads onto my own threads. I hope that was helpful, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye bye.